Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Base Network to your MetaMask wallet. And to do this, it's pretty simple and easy. Here is everything on the base. First of all, we need to go to our MetaMask and click on Settings right there. Once we are on Settings, you want to go ahead and click Networks. And from here, as you can see, there's a lot of networks. I have already added the Base Network here, so we can just go ahead and delete it now and add a network. Click right there. Now you want to go ahead. You can go ahead and add a network manually, or you can just go ahead and find the base mainnet here and click add. It will probably be here for you. If not, just click add network and write down a network name, base mainnet. Go ahead here, basically copy everything from there. And what we need else, the chain ID, block explorer. Basically, this is where you can go ahead and copy everything from. After you will add it, it will look like this. The URL is this, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. And after this, you can go ahead, click right there and change it to the base mainnet, just like so. And you can now use it with lowest fees in history. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.